Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. The video introduces a quick method to reduce CPU temperature on a Windows computer. So let's get started. Open the Windows search bar and type Edit Power Plan. Click on Edit Power Plan from the search result. Select Change Advanced Power Settings. Locate Processor Power Management in the Settings list. Open Maximum Processor State. Reduce the value from 100% to a range between 90% to 100%. Lowering the value slightly reduces CPU temperature immediately. The presenter notes that reducing it too much may affect gaming performance, so users should test and find a balance. Example given. Setting it to 90% works well for the presenter. The creator asks users to like and subscribe if the fix helped.